George man receives 27-year prison term for murdering spouse by Satori News. Cape Town, a harrowing case reached its conclusion as the George Regional Court sentenced Andrew Fleming to 27 years of direct imprisonment for the 2022 murder of his wife, a tragedy that has stirred the local community. In a hearing that drew to a somber end, it was disclosed that Andrew and his spouse, Karin Fleming, had been married for 14 years before their relationship ended in violence. The couple reportedly became embroiled in a heated argument pertaining to Andrew's assertion that Karin's family was unduly involved in their marital affairs. Court documents reveal that during the dispute, Andrew, 43, pounced on his wife while she lay in bed, precipitating a physical altercation that ended with Karin being fatally stabbed. The assault ceased only after she stopped screaming, at which point Andrew stopped to check her pulse, confirming the grim outcome of his actions. Further engaging in a chillingly composed series of actions in the aftermath of the violent episode, Fleming washed his hands, dressed himself, and surrendered himself to the authorities, confessing his deeds to the police upon arrival at the station. During the trial, it came to light that Andrew Fleming had a long history of mental health issues. Diagnosed with depression more than 2 decades ago, he had been under medical care ever since. Adding complexity to the case was the revelation that he also suffered from bipolar mood disorder, for which he was receiving treatment at the time of the murder. The 27-year sentence underscores the gravity of domestic violence and the judiciary's stance on such acts. The case resonates widely as South Africa grapples with high rates of domestic violence and femicide, spotlighting the critical need for mental health awareness and support, alongside sterner criminal justice responses to intimate partner violence. While the George Regional Court has dispensed its sentence, the repercussions of this tragedy will undeniably echo throughout the community, igniting discussions on the intersections of crime, mental health, and the persistent threat of domestic violence in South African society. Thank you for choosing Satori News.